Hele unto Kaua'i, Honolulu by the bay. Wailu River Valley is where I used to play. The canyons of Waimea, standing all alone. The magic of the garden is calling me back home. Hi, this is Ben Brown with MorleyGuitar.com, and in this video, how to play Hele unto Kaua'i on ukulele. This is a very easy song. We're going to learn some basic chords with it and some very easy chord changes. The song is in the key of G, so of course it starts out on a G chord. Your first finger goes on the second string, second fret. Middle finger on the fourth string, second fret. And your ring finger reaches in between them and goes on the third string on the third fret. And you play all four strings like on most ukulele music. The next chord is a G7. Now it's going to look awfully complicated, but we're just going to switch them around like that. Basically, we're changing this note to this note and leaving these, but you have to move all your fingers, but they're very short movements. So the first finger is going to move from here over to the third string, first fret. Middle finger goes to the second string, second fret, while the ring finger moves to the fourth string, second fret. Now, once again, that's my G chord. First finger goes here, middle finger goes there, ring finger goes there. Now, if you want to, you can play your G with your pinky and just pick it up. Either way works fine. The C chord is one of the easiest on the ukulele. It's just your first finger on the fourth string, third fret. The D7, I will usually play the C with my ring finger, and then just lay a first finger across the second fret to play the D7. And normally I wouldn't advise leaving out a finger like that, but it's easier to get the first finger across. And that's all the chords you need to play Hele unto Kaua'i. The strumming pattern is very simple. It starts off with usual down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up with your finger. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Except now we're going to accent the 2 and the 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. I'm not hitting the strings really hard. I'm just moving my finger a little faster, maybe holding a little stiffer. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. There's a place I recall, not too big, in fact it's kind of small. This is Ben Brown with MorleyGuitar.com, and that's all you need to know to play Hele unto Kaua'i by Iz. Make sure you click below for the chart, and also look around on the website for other ukulele songs you might want to learn. And thank you for watching.